Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a auto caption in CapCut. So basically first you need a video with your own audio or maybe other relevant audio that speaks, and then you just go to the text panel, and at the text panel at the first column you choose for auto caption. Make sure that you choose based on your language. For example, you are speaking Chinese, you choose Chinese. If you are speaking English, you just speak for English, and then you can just create the relevant text auto caption for your video. So basically it will self-generate out for the auto caption.
In this video,
And also you can use for other text to make auto caption. For example, for this one you can just change your caption font. For example, you want to change for this one, this font size, font name, you can choose for this one Pudu, and it will change all of your font. If you have this apply to all, apply for your text. And also you can change the font size, style, color, and others properties for your font. And for example, you want to make the text to be more interesting, more action, you can just find this animation panel, and you can find in, out, loop, or caption. For example, you can choose this most common one used in YouTube video is this one, frame prop, and then you can just apply. It will show your text one by one as shown at here. And also you can have many other kinds of animation in your video. For example, you can choose this one, and let me adjust back. So I just deactivate the clip first, so you can so I just deactivate the audio first, then I will show you. And then I change my font to the more better font. So basically use this system, and then you just choose for this one, a green color pop up one by one words. The name is called Zoom what, I'm not sure, you can check out in your CapCut. Then you just show as in the video. So basically you can see this animation is quite good, that your audience will have attracted to your text, and this will have more engaging text to your audience. So basically that's all for today. If you want to learn more, you can check our description and leave a comment in our video. Thanks.